Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naya and Zeika. So today I'll be showing you how I lightened my underarms in just 3 days. So this is what my underarms used to look like, and I'll be walking you through the process. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if this is your first time stopping by, and let's get into the video.
Besan.com.
So to start off, you want to add a baking powder into the bowl, just a little bit of baking powder, and then followed by the turmeric powder. I do not have a certain measurement for this. After adding the turmeric, then you want to go in next with a lemon. You want to cut up your lemon and then squeeze the juice into the bowl. I made use of a whole lemon, so you want to cut this up and then squeeze the juice into the bowl, and you want to keep the lemon after squeezing the juice because you'll be making use of that later.
Besan.com. Besan.com. Besan.com.
Next, I'm going over my underarms with this lemon. I'll be scrubbing my underarms. You want to do this for about 1 to 2 minutes or more. In my case, I did 3. Make sure you give it a very good scrub. After scrubbing, I'll be making use of this brush. You can make use of a cotton pad to apply this. So I'll be applying this under my arm. Make sure to cover the dark areas and be careful not to let it stain your stain whatever you're putting on, because turmeric is hard to come off. So just apply this generously and mind your clothes. After applying, I'll be going over with the lemon just to give it a good, you want to give it like a very good scrub. And don't forget, be careful. That's why I had to put on a black tank top, because turmeric is hard to come off. So just make sure you give it like a very good scrub. Don't have to do it for long, just make sure you go over it like for a while. So after rinsing this off, I don't know if you can see, but there's a slight difference. So moving on to day 2, I made the paste a bit thick. Then as usual, I had to go over with the lemon, and after that I applied the mixture and wait about 30 minutes. Then I had to rinse it off. During this time, there is like a huge difference. My camera is not picking this up, but on to day 3, same process. Go over with the lemon and wait for about 30 minutes or more, then rinse off. Now day 3, I decided to use a different camera so you can see the before and the after. This is like, I'm really happy with the results, and you can also do this for more than 3 days if you want, but for me, I'm happy with the results. So that will be it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.